Alright, welcome back. This is first Friday here in College Station, October 4th, I believe. Yeah. So, again, this car show going on. They block out the street and nice safe event, and you have these classic cars show up. I just got the 280ZX back from the shop. We had the splitter installed. We had the rear spoiler added, also painted in clear coat. So it's carbon fiber, looks like burgundy carbon fiber. It's actually a red clear coat over it. Let's look at these vehicles real quick. There's the S130. This is the turnbuckles added, the custom splitter, and of course some of you guys know about the front lip spoiler. This is from the OG S130Z in Japan. Had it customized. I think it looks alright. I'll show you the spoiler. You can kind of see the weave in it. Look at it right. Let's see if I'm going to fin this end here. There we go. Turned out pretty good. Trying not to dox myself here. But yeah, I'm happy with the effect. AC Cobra. Maybe an original. People some stroke. This is gorgeous. We got the goat here. GTO. We got quite a few vehicles for today. It's a Euro. This is a Russian off-road bike. Heard about these. Vladimir Putin rides one of these. I think he donated one of these to a guy in Alaska. There's a story about that. Google it. Matador. A lot of beautiful cars here today. Yeah, I'm not biased at all. I like Chevy a lot. This Ford's pretty nice though.
Barbie dream car. Huh? No.
Oh, this is nice. Look at the paint job on this. I like the subtle flames. Who did your paint job?
Sir?
Who painted your car?
I have no idea. I bought it like this.
That's gorgeous. I like the flames. It's pretty subtle. I like that.
I bought it. Actually, I found the car on eBay and I bought it about 3 years ago from a guy in Georgetown.
Okay. That's sweet. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 68 or is this 69?
68.
68. Okay, I called it. All right. Yeah, the back end, there's just a subtle difference between a 68 and a 69. This is very subtle. Very.
That's a 69 there. It's got those little like pin deals in front of it.
Yep.
Right there.
Yeah, I'm trying to see the difference. Okay, so this is a 68. Yep, the fin deals. I see what you're talking about. 69 has the vents right there. Interesting. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Hurst shifter 6-speed, 5-speed, 427. Nice.
That's a really nice car.
Oh yeah, they're both gorgeous. Oh, he's got the flip up. Oh, he's got the covers. So those open up.
Right.
Oh, that is sick.
This is like a.
Pretty rare option.
It's kind of like the RS.
Yeah.
With the,
Got the Corbeau seats in it.
It's like 30 minutes.
All right. Pretty cool. Look, I'm the only Japanese car representing a classics. Everything else here is American and just domestics. No Europeans. All right, we're gonna end it right here. All right, welcome back. So a lot of people here today. It's music's playing. There's a band playing. I'm just sitting here outside, just enjoying the weather. For October, it's pretty warm, but it's a pretty big crowd, and a lot of people are enjoying this fall season, the early fall season. Just a nice warm breeze and just chilling with the S130, right? A lot of people like the car. I get it. They're cool cars. I haven't seen anything else Japanese show up yet. I was hoping it'd be another Datsun or older 300, like an 84, 85. There are not many Z31s in this town, I noticed. A lot of Z32s and a few 240s, and then my 83. Go figure.
Look at that car.
Really digging the AC Cobra.
Cyrus.
This thing sounded amazing when it pulled up. 427. We're gonna fade out right here. Alright, it's getting a little bit darker. We're gonna keep fading anything here a little bit. Let's see what else showed up. That's pretty packed today. That's a good thing.
Yeah, that's modern.
Or somebody else.
Oh, look at that. You got a Volkswagen thing here. I just remember this vehicle. All right, you don't see many of those. This is all original because I've talked to them before. What's going on? What's going on here? I guess we got a band playing? Yep, sounds like it. I know that tune.
Got your baby here, huh?
Yeah, I do. It's going to get this tall. Yeah, I do. I'm thinking about it. It's like that big. Don't touch, don't touch. It makes it like
This is pretty cool, an old restored Army Jeep. This gentleman here works ROTC at Texas A&M. He did a lot of work to restore this. Even the toolkit is all original. This is really cool.
Well, it definitely didn't look like this one.
He put a lot of work into this. This is cool. Fairlady.
I heard this one. Yeah.
Well, you should stop being sad. This is a really great time. I almost got a truck like this one. You made them.
I guess to say that people really miss the Fairlady Z is a real deal. I mean, car's getting a lot of interest. That's cool. I mean, they all are beautiful vehicles here. I'm a car guy. I'm not gonna lie, I am biased towards the Datsun 280ZX. All right, fade out. And you hear that horn? That air horn from the train. This is why they call this area College Station. That's how it got its namesake for Texas A&M University. So, yep, the train comes by here pretty frequently every day. You get used to it. But yeah, it's been a pretty good big festival. A lot of interest in these cars. They're beautiful vehicles. Alright, it's getting pretty late, and this car show goes on till 9 o'clock. So we had to get here at 4:30. And basically, it's like a festival of food. It's just a big old street party, basically what it is, and then the car show. So I can't even get out of here if I wanted to because all the cars and the traffic. So I gotta wait for this thing to die down so I can even drive out of here. So this is the remnants of the car meet. A lot of foot traffic. So yeah, I'll be here till 9 o'clock. And so I'll just shoot a little bit of video, and then I'll pause, and then I'll shoot one more segment. Yeah, everybody's trying to get out of here. It's not gonna happen. Yeah, it's too crowded.
Yeah, you lost it. Yeah.
And I'll just cut here. All right, looks like everybody's clearing out. I can finally get out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and kill this this feed here, and wish you guys the best. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. This should be an interesting, a line of classic cars leaving this area. This should be pretty cool on the highway. But here we go. Talk to you later. I'm out.